Accuracy International restarted as a company in 2005. We started with 7 employees and we now have 70 in the UK. Last year we built 1,400 rifles and approximately 1,000 stocks. Accuracy International designs all of our own products. So we have here a full engineering design capability. We also have extremely good machinists and good equipment to manufacture as much of the product here as we can.
This is the inspection area. This is where we would receive parts from outside contractors and also where we will check product that we make in-house. This is a coordinate measuring machine, and that will be programmed to measure all of the primary parameters on this particular part, and we'll measure the dimensions and the tolerances. So we have a probe with a camera on it here, and we can look at the screen and we can check the barrel grooves and the finish on the grooves and of the interior of the barrel itself.
Well, the weapons are designed to be very rugged and operate in all weather conditions, climates, environmental situations, and also that it has to be very strong because you've got very high pressures. So it requires selecting the right materials and also the right strength of materials. The other areas of it, like the stock or the chassis, have to be as light as possible but as strong as possible, because you have to have as the optimal weight. It can't be too heavy and it can't be too light, because you're looking for a rugged, stable platform. So this is our final assembly shop. All of the components that we were machining upstairs, chassis systems, come over here as well. Then they'll all come together to a final assembly process. We'll also do proof testing. We'll test fire the rifles, and then we'll go into final inspection, and then they'll be ready to ship. So this is the action assembly area. And basically what we do here is we take an action that has been machined in our machine shop. It's sent off for final treatment, which will give us a hardness and corrosion protection. We have a lock ring which has got lugs on the inside of it, and those lugs will engage on the bolt head, which will then chamber the round. So this is a basic frame of the rifle, otherwise known as a stock, or what we call a chassis. And if you think of a chassis of a car, it's a very stable platform. The action will fit like that, and then we will bolt and bond epoxy that action onto the chassis. The company's early success was based on not just what the founders knew from target shooting, but also what they learned from the users. The military users, they went out and they sought inputs from those users, and based on that they designed their very first sniper rifle, and it was very successful. We use high-speed cameras, we use lots of state-of-the-art instrumentation, and we use rapid prototyping. Unlike a lot of rifle manufacturers who rely on superstition and gut feel and, you know, black art, we try to take the black art out of it